Hi guys, it's Rosanna. As you all know or may not, we started supplying kiln hooks for ceramics. So they're high heat, they're kanthal wire, the kanthal A1. It's really strong wire and they withstand up to 1400 degrees Celsius. So anyway, I'm just going to do a quick test in the microwave kiln, because the last time I've used one that I purchased from either Temu or Amazon, they melted. So I'm curious to see whether these ones also melt, which I doubt they will, but I just want to try it just because. So yesterday actually I fired something, a copper clay piece in the microwave kiln, and it completely melted away like flat as a pancake, in fact even more than that. So yeah, I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a test with the hooks and see what happens. So now then, this one is from Temu. I'm not gonna do a proper, like, this is just a bisque. I'm just gonna pop them over like this because I don't really have anything that I've made lately. So now these ones are from Amazon, I think. Yeah, they feel harder. I haven't used these ones yet actually, but so we've got Temu, Amazon. I'm just gonna get a, where is it, underglaze pencil. What happened to my underglaze pencil? There it is, underglaze pencil, which is not sharp, but anyway. So I'm just gonna put Temu, Amazon, there, and I have some different ones there also from Amazon. These are the ones with a little curve. I don't know if you can see them there. These are also Amazon, so I'm gonna put it next to that one if it fits. Doesn't really matter how. Right, so we've got Temu and Amazon, and then I'm gonna put ours, new ones. These are all pretty much the same thickness. Right, these are ours, and I'm just gonna pop these here on this end. I'm just going to put a K, kind of a K. It's a texture tile, so I can't really, but yeah, kanthal. I'll just put K for that. Right, and I am going to go and pop them in the microwave kiln for 5 or so minutes and see what happens. Right, back in a sec. So here it is on the base, same as it was. This is just one of my old microwave kiln, just a small one. I'm just gonna cover it up. There you go. And I'm going to pop it in the microwave. In fact, I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes on maximum. And there you go. Well, I'll see you back in 10. Right, we only have 27 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, beep. There we go. Now then, I can see glow. Right. Here it is. Right. Let's see the reveal, shall we? I wish I had bigger hands actually. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, burning my hand there. Okay, so none of these have actually melted. So I'm just gonna put it in for a bit longer because maybe it didn't reach a temperature that I wanted to. So I'm gonna put it back in for an extra 10 minutes. So it's in for another 10 minutes and I'll get back to you when this one is done. And so I have 1 minute left to go on the second lot of 10 minutes, second cycle, and I'm going to record it. I'm going to start recording once I put the microwave kiln out because I can't do it with one arm. It's a little complicated. So yeah, I'll get back to you in a few seconds. So it's out, still glowing, and let's see what happens. Right, I will have to remove and then come back to you. Okay, here we are. Well, amazingly, none of these. Oh, that one crumbled. That one is not too bad actually. Okay, that one is completely gone. These are ours. That's the Amazon one. That's also crumbled away. That one is the Temu one. Amazingly still standing. Okay. These are ours. I have bent it myself when I have put it on, but it looks good. That's a thinner one. Oops. Also still looks intact. So yeah, the Amazon ones, both of them, absolute rubbish. Amazingly, the Temu is still alright. Well yeah, that is the first test. I'm gonna do a proper test in the kiln, but I do like the look of that. That would be ours, these two. And yeah. So let's just have another closer look. So these was Temu. So it didn't disintegrate completely, but it is quite soft, I would say. So, but yeah, it did endure. And this is nichrome, I believe. Anyway, it's not kanthal. So I have used them at low fire and I've been okay with it, although yeah, they do get a little bit soft. But let's see, 1, 2, along until it snaps. Actually lasting quite a bit, to be fair. Let's see there. Snap test. Okay. Ah, there we are. Eventually. Now these are Amazon ones. These completely disintegrated. Well, I mean the snap test on that one. There you are. That's just crumbling away very easily. Look at the mess. Yeah, these are not good for high fire at all. No. And these as well, that flaked off. A lot of the metal oxidized and flaked off, so I have no idea what it is. It's still very dirty, like flaky. Yeah, no, I don't like that one. And these are ours. Now they're still intact. I have bent it the other way. There we go. It took a bit, to bend it. And these again is a bit thicker than the other one. Yeah, and it's quite hard as well to actually bend. It's not as easy. Ow. Yeah, it took quite some force to bend it. Like these one out that I hurt because it's pointy. These one doesn't take that long to bend. So yeah, I would say ours are winners, to be fair. I'm quite surprised that these either Temu or Amazon Nichrome one actually lasted. So yeah, amazing. But yeah, I would say, definitely not these. Look at that, just with my nail I could just break it. Oh, it's ridiculous, like absolutely ridiculous. How can they sell them as Kiln wire? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, there we go. That's a test. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.